we have our Core Plus investor, and I'd like to call up for this one Michał Javinsky to help from GBA to help us give this award away. Michał, come up and join us. Actually giving an award away now.
Here are the nominees: Ares Management, Atru European Real Estate, Bluehouse Capital, CBRE Global Investors, CPI Property Group, EPP, Europa Capital, Global World, Tristan Capital Partners, and Zeitgeist Asset Management.
Well, Michał, welcome back, and thank you for helping us hand out this award.
It is my pleasure to say that the Core Plus Investor of the Year this year is a Bluehouse Capital.
I think that's... Welcome, thank you.
Bluehouse Capital couldn't make it this evening, but they asked me to collect the award on their behalf, so thank you very much.
And please come join us for quick photos.